Disclaimer. This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Amol Sharma, back again with new video. In this video, I'm going to show you about how people capture your data using Telegram. Okay, now this is very popular. If you don't know how to capture data, I will teach you in this video. Okay, let's go to your quick edit. I've already cleared your data, so let me create a file. Let me put data. Let me put data 123. Okay, p3 dot py. We need to py extension 1. Yes. Save. Okay, first of all you need to import your request.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast as fuck, boy.
And after we are going to main part. Okay, define main. Okay, we are defining main here. Then after yeah, see. Okay, here we are going to paste our bot token. Okay, bot slash bot token we are going to paste here our bot token. I will teach you in this video only how to get bot token and chat ID. Then, then after let make again try statement. Then after SD card we are importing path. SD card path is equals to slash SD card slash. Okay, then after file list whatever we want to want, it will list out our file. Then after big bracket, yeah, for we are using a for loop. OS lis edir SD card path. Then after if f dot end dot jpg and ends with okay, the file it will start with this file SD card part and ends with our jpg file here. Okay, our first code statement is completed. Then after we are using again for loop file in file list. Okay, now it will automatically check file list again and again. It is on loop. And then after with open os dot path dot join SD card path file. Okay, RB read only binary file, read only binary file 1. This is as f. Okay, URL. Where is our URL for Telegram? Okay, this you have string https, sorry, the https api dot telegr telegram.org slash bot curly bracket bot dot bot slash token, token curly bracket close. Here we are going to send our document. Okay, send DOCUME send documents. It will send document in our Telegram ID. Okay. For this only, if you use this code in your script, then if you use this code in your script, then you can extract to get many extract not only photos. You can extract file, zip file, mp3 video, whatever, they are all private things. Okay. You can use this code in your script to get OK's ID. If they will get OK's ID, it will automatically send to your bot. Okay, those OK's IDs you can use that also. Let me smaller do this one. Then after this completed, again we are going to data to chat slash id. Okay, this is our chat id. Chat slash id. Okay, data. Okay. Chat id files. DSUA document. Yeah. Document. Okay. We are halfway then. Let again get season dot post post URL data files. Okay, it will now send. It will send in our ID using this part season dot post. Okay, copy this, paste data 2 here, also data 2 comma, I forget to put comma. If you don't want to write this all of this stuff, then you can just simply contact on my Telegram ID. I will provide you there. Then after go to the part of the try and except accept pass. It will pass again in for loop. Okay. Except in pass, this is for jpg1. Okay, this is for jpg1. Just copy this, then after hit enter, paste here. Then after this for py1, we are going to change the file of py1. Okay, simply nothing to do such more things. Just replace the STK, the path one, replace the jpg file with dot py. Okay, let me check whether to change or not send document. Everything right. Okay, this much only. Then after at last we are going in last we are just writing some few lines of code. Okay. For this you can do just jpg file, png file, and many more other files. You can extract from here. Okay, we are here completed. Then after just hit enter with thread poll max works works is equals to 1000 as JJJ. Then after JJJ triple J submit. You can replace JJJ with anything. Not much to write this only. Here we are define main. Okay, watch this carefully. Here we have defined main. Then after we are just putting main here. If you define your menu, just put your menu. Okay, don't. Okay, then after JJJ dot submit slash main menu. Okay, we are all completed. Now I'm going to let me save here. Now I'm going to show you how to make a bot token and chat ID. Go to your Telegram. Go to your Telegram and search for bot father. Okay, bot father. Okay, I'm starting from here. New bot. I just new bot. Let me write. You can anything x122 slash end with bot part. Sorry, username already taken. Bot. Yo. Type whatever you want. Uh, I'm just typing random. So sorry, username is valid. Okay, ZC. This one I think no one will take. Sorry, username already taken. Please. This is very confusing, man. Hmm. EXWER slash bot. Okay. So finally, I get this one. Okay, Telegram to bot here. I'll just start, and then after slash my bots. Then after you will find here. We have just now created this bot XWER. Just click on here. And then after you will find API token. Just click on here. Copy this whole API token. Just move here. Where your bot token? Just paste here. Many people confuse that the chat ID is this. Okay, this is not chat ID. This is bot one chat ID. Your chat ID, your chat ID will found in search here bot info. Okay, bot uh, bot info something like that. User info, user info bot. Okay, let me start here. It will give my ID. Just copy over Mohammed Sharma language English. Okay, it will give my user ID. Then after paste out here user ID. Yeah, okay, I'm just commenting on this SD card part due to some privacy. Okay, my photo might be shown in this part. Okay, I'm just commenting out whole this part. Don't mind. This is for my. Oh no, sorry, it is not comment. Okay, let me cut out this part. Then after save, it will just send py files. Let me paste here. Okay, go to Tormex and run that file. Python data one dot py. Okay, SD card path. Sorry, sir, there is one missing line. SD card path. This much small mistake. It will happen. JJ submit error 30 man. I will give you best example. Just select all, copy, go to ChatGPT and paste it your code. It will automatically correct your code. Sometime it will wrong. No problem. ChatGPT will fix our code. Then after select all, paste. Okay, your chat ID, our chat ID, where? I think this is our chat ID. bot token. This is our bot token. Okay, let me save it out. Go to your termex. Okay, it will run. Then after, look at here. Okay, in my telegram, it start to send me. In my where is my bot? Where is my bot? You, it will start sending me this script. Okay, look at this bot one. It will sending me script. Okay, if I cancel out this ctrlz, then it will again send me. Now I'm going to show you again sending us. Now I'm going to show you how to add this code in your script. Okay, let me open one random. Set my use old script. Okay, this is my old script. Just then after paste it out all this code. Define main copy paste just here, find main menu, paste paste paste, save. Then after let me run this b7 b7.py. Okay. Okay, sorry, this I'm not in python b7. This is tracking my
Welcome
IP.
to Amal Sharma cloning tool.
Okay, it will sending the. Okay, just now it will send. My name is, I'll type anything. This my b7. Okay, what happened? Okay, out okay, I have just fixed out the error. Let's again run the script. Okay, if you don't believe me, just watch it at 9:49 p.m. I'm just going to delete. Where is this? I'm just going to delete the chat. Then after, for it.
Welcome to Amal Sharma cloning tool.
Okay, I'm just typing my random name. Start approving. Your key has been approved. Okay, look, start sending the script again. This how people use bot to get your script. Okay, I'm starting a new playlist where I'm teaching you from scratch everything from beginning. I'm going to teach you how to make your own file making script, everything from basic, your own script, your first script, your file making. No need to ask for anything. I'm going to teach you from basic. If you support me like this, like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you for everyone watching this video.